How to delete your YouTube account permanently. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the YouTube application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, go ahead and sign in to your YouTube account. So once you sign into your account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside the profile section, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Google account. Just like so, this is going to open up. Tap on data and privacy, and inside here scroll below until you find apps and services. Tap onto it, and just like so, from here tap on delete a service. So once you're inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the trash icon right beside YouTube, and just like so, simply tap on I want to permanently delete my content. Just like so, select these options and then tap on delete my content. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and simply enter your email address, and just like so, you will then be able to delete your YouTube account without deleting your Google account. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.